My heat press is here. Okay, so I can't lift it very much, but we're gonna slide it. Alright, so my husband's home so he can help me out because it's heavy. Check out Mastering Mayhem if you haven't already. Are gonna order this. I recommend you have help unless you're fairly strong.
Been chatting about it for over 2 weeks now.
Okay. Oh, they gave you some Teflon sheets, so that's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
And a spare fuse, which is handy. User manual.
Yes. Do not take it out by lifting the handle. Take it out with hands holding here, that knob screw thing, and underneath the stick. Just use this.
Oh, okay.
Screw knob. Oh, yeah.
Just kind of want it out of the way.
I'll just put the machine on top of it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I like buttons. Ooh, it's so nice. So just remember, grab it here. This is where they say to grab it, and underneath the table or whatever it's called. Yeah, it's about 33 feet or so.
And I'm going to uncover the handle because I want to. Okay. And then,
Ooh.
oh yeah, some people said it had some problems lifting, but
Okay.
it sticks
So
on
this
there
stays in?
nicely. Yeah, that's what the heat element presses into. It doesn't open as wide as I thought it was going to open, which is fine, I think. So yeah, it locks. That's what you want it to lock into place. So yeah, it's a pretty serious
That's
baby.
industrial, man.
What I do want to do for y'all really quick. So you don't have a table? It comes with one. Alright, we're gonna direct connect.
Custom made table right here.
Actually, let's do
She'll
this.
make you all this table for $180.
I'm assuming this goes here. Okay, so this is...
There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. I mean, that's enough to get it hand tightened. But then even if you hand tighten it really tight, you should only need to turn the Allen wrench a few times. Yeah.
Pretty good. So it only needs like a half turn.
Let's see if it burns a piece of paper.
No.
Oh.
So I read this was the test. If it holds it. So if it's too tight, I think, ready? I'm assuming that's tighter. So if it's too tight, then it's not gonna lock. See how it doesn't lock?
Mm-hmm.
So that means it's too tight because it can't get the pressure enough to lock. You shouldn't have to hold this thing down. So then that was righty-tighty, and then lefty-loosey, we're gonna loosen it. And I'm gonna over-loosen it so I can show you that when it's too loose, the paper will come out. So it locks into the paper. So it's easier to adjust it when it's up. So I'm gonna adjust it back.
There you go. See
how it's lighter? That's where I was moving it from. So I'm just gonna go right back to those markings. So it seemed like it was pretty good right there.
Nice.
But it was not. So that seems pretty good.
Pretty
It still holds my paper pretty well.
Nice.
So loosen it up.
I thought you were gonna burn the paper.
No. And then I'm gonna plug this in. Then I'm gonna turn it on with the power button that's here. So over here we have our power button. And then we have our fuse, so that little extra fuse they gave. So we're just going to click it on. Be careful because this element's going to get hot, Myers.
Okay.
You're touching it.
It's going to get hot, like, instantly?
I have no idea, but I don't want you to get burned. So there you go. Going on. So we're going to move. We're going to click temp. Oh, okay.
370.
Let's do 305 because that's what I use a lot on my temperatures. Up one. And then I can adjust my time too. So it's heating up. So it's on 10 seconds. And you can adjust your time here too. So if you click time, you can go up. Most of my stuff's about 10 to 15 seconds. I like to do 10. It does take a little bit of time to heat up. Test it because we have this. Definitely recommend you get one, especially if you're going to buy a press off of like Amazon.
Laser thermometer, yeah, it's...
Laser thermometer. I'll put a link in the description for this one that we use. It works really well for every time that we've tried it. So
for non-contact. Well,
126.
right,
yep, it's
there.
right on. So I'm gonna test the edges too, because you always want the. I mean, the edges are. I mean, it's warming up, so yeah. It's right on. Let's see if we'll iron something. I mean, it locks in hard. I guess this is what the... Oh, see, and it's going to beep. That's pretty cool. So it's automatic. I don't even have to start it. Do you think it won't fit up there? Do you think?
Oh, lengthwise? No. Unless you do it this way, it'll fit this way.
The PowerPress, you have a 1-year warranty. So you can contact the company within 1 year. And obviously it has like your voltage here, how much wattage it uses. And then your temperature range. This one can go up to 450 degrees, which, like I said, I use around 305 to 320. And then you can do up to 999 seconds, which it's a long time, but I don't know what other people do with their machines, so.
There you go, 305.
It's like clicking.
It's like I'm ready. So let's go. Put something in here.
That'd be kind of annoying. Is it gonna do that constantly?
Sounds like it.
Put it right between the two, yeah. Right there. Squeeze it all the way back.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine. Oh, look, it's right on the... It has a little lip.
So we can probably lift it and then push it back in so it's there. I just don't know if this radiating heat's gonna ruin my vinyl here. Right?
Maybe,
I didn't think of that. Okay. I mean, I'll try it like this and then see how it does.
Okay.
All right. Well, that's it. So we put it here. I'm getting a table for the center here, so it might get moved here. I'm not sure yet, but because I need a direct connect, it might end up staying here. I mean, it's pretty sturdy here. It's all the way on there. You know, it's not hanging off. Just the plates kind of hanging off.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It keeps it from sliding forward.
Thanks for watching.